My name's Steve Tame. I'm the CIO General Manager of IT for Jetstar Airlines. Jetstar was launched in 2004. We started with 14 aircraft operating very much on a domestic market, and then in 2006 we had the challenge of actually taking that overseas. When we first started looking at building the international business, we wanted to look at how we could do so without necessarily putting IT infrastructure offshore. We have a commercial managed service which is managed 24/7 by Telstra, and if it goes down they report it to us and they fix it, which means I don't have to have the staff in-house to do that. We've got more international networks, we've got more data volumes, we've got more infrastructure, we've got more call centres. It's been a bit of a ride and it's been a bit of a challenge, but it's actually been a significant highlight in my career and in my life, because in the business that I'm in the complexity that I need, in the products that I use, I would recommend Telstra as a service provider. There is a unique and a complete product offering available, and by having a supplier that can deliver you all that flexibility, I think is a significant benefit to the organisation.
Australian Vintage is a premium wine producer. Our major brand is the McGuigan brand, which is going very, very well for us domestically and internationally.
We are probably one of the largest owner-operator of vineyards in Australia. Each year we would crush probably 10% of Australia's total wine production.
We have major exports into the UK, emerging into places like China and the US. Because of the regionality of our business, communications can be affected by poor technology in some of those areas. So yeah, Telstra certainly helped us out with that. We are able to communicate with all our users across Australia. Being an international wine producer, we have to support our office in the UK, so our WAN extends to the UK.
It was really a natural progression for us to move with Telstra. The quality of the people that they had, the quality of the solution that they demonstrated to us was really second to none. Certainly it's worked well for us. I'd highly recommend it. In our situation, we couldn't have asked for a better outcome.
It has been a strong partnership, and we believe that partnership will grow and Telstra will be able to deliver to us faster, quicker communications to our salespeople and to our customers all over the globe.
This is the end of a 6-year project. It's coming to its culmination. We've completed our deep diving submersible, the Deep Challenger, and we're going to take it to the deepest place on this planet, the Mariana Trench, down to 36,000 feet, 11,000 meters. Telstra is such an obvious choice. I mean, the biggest telco in Australia with the bandwidth capability. We went to Telstra for a solution to a problem.
2 days before Christmas, I received a phone call followed by a bunch of emails briefly describing the deep sea exploration project. 1 day before Christmas, we put a final solution, what we need from equipment perspective. 2 days before the new year, we were able to make it happen.
Telstra has provided is the communication from us to land or to the rest of the world from where we are on the ship. The footage will be streamed on HD format, the highest HD format that we can provide. The world demands that quality now. And if we can't show them this project in the highest quality HD, then we shouldn't be doing it. And we can do that because of Telstra. We
can basically distribute the feed from the ship to any media interested in taking the feed, whether it's live or playback. We have the capability to deliver it to anywhere within Australia and indeed internationally.
We can feed out video immediately after the dive of what we've seen down at the bottom of the ocean, 7 miles under the ship. And I think it'll give people a real feeling of immediacy, like they're participating. At the same time, knowing that what we're doing is kind of riskier than sitting in a movie theater munching popcorn. We're going to the deepest place on the planet.